Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Bond energy questions look scary, but this one is quick. We just compare bonds broken and formed, then the enthalpy choice basically reveals itself. Okay, start with a bond energy idea. Delta H equals energy to break reactant bonds minus energy released when product bonds form. Here, you break one HH and one Cl-Cl bond. Then, form two HCl bonds in the products, because the equation makes two HCl molecules. Add the broken bond energies, subtract the formed bond total, and keep a close eye on signs. If the bonds formed release more energy than the bonds broken require, delta H is negative, so the closest listed value matches option B. Well done! Option B. Scan now. The trap is sign mistakes from rushing. Trust the given bond energies and check each subtraction step carefully.